Okay, so here's the issue. If we go to objects, we set a bag there. We have our dominoes, all 28 of them. Put them in the bag, shuffle. When we deal to the players, we can see the other person's dominoes. However, if I go to options, hands, click on default, it will go to what we want it to be, right? Where only I can see my hand and then they cannot. However, going back to shuffling the dominoes, or dealing the dominoes, I should say, when I deal them, they become visible from that point on. And the only way to get rid of that is to go back to options, go to hands, click reverse, go to default, and then it will do it again. So how do we get it to where it stays that way? Because we're confused. Thanks for anybody's help.